Alright, welcome back to Brookie Outdoors, everybody. It's time for the Monsterbass unboxing. It came in yesterday, August 7th. And so let's get to it and see what's in this month's box. Or bag in this case. Alrighty. First off, we got some Gary Yamamoto custom baits. Cowboy bruised shin color, I guess. Just a creature bait like a crawl or maybe a trailer. Another creature bait. Brothers Baits Gilly Grub Black Blue. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Just to make it easier. We have some tungsten jig heads. First Contact, propeller, 1/0 1/16 ounce. We have a Dobbins football jig, 1/4 ounce, beer and green pumpkin. Hopefully this light's not too bright. Headbanger 6 for product testing. Splatter shad. I kind of like that. Hendricks Fishing Company. Voodoo Pop, 1/2 ounce. Doesn't really have a color, I guess just a copper, maybe. Then a Monsterbass spinnerbait. Who's your daddy? Let's see. White and chartreuse. Pretty nice looking bait. Let's see, unusual stickers. Small stickers this time. River Rat and Bite Me. That's probably, yep, the golden ticket. And then the little booklet that they give out for each box. And this wind's getting kind of rough. Let's see. Oh. Chocolate brownies with coconut oil. And that's it. Well, surgery went well. I'm mostly recovered. Just 3 weeks ago, I've had 3 weeks of PT. They're saying 1 to 2 more weeks and I'll be done. I should be able to get out to my normal activities now, or most of my normal activities. Just getting out to some of the places I want to fish are still difficult, but working on it. And we'll try to do that here in the next couple of weeks. I'll see you guys later. Have a good one.